Hello, I'm Alex, this is Linkbrick Graphics World. Let's talk about Scribus 156, the latest unstable version that comes with a few interesting improvements. Scribus developers started introducing PDF-based printing support and intend to eventually phase out PostScript-based printing. The two places where you can find this new option are the printing dialog itself, and then of course the print preview dialog. The Windows version of the program doesn't have it yet. The new version of Scribus also comes with support for PDF 1.6. This revision of the standard is really not a new one. It was out in January 2005. There are multiple nice improvements over PDF 1.5, like an extension of device end for defining spot colors, or advanced encryption system, or being able to use PDF files as a container for embedding all sorts of data, like 3D models. But the real change you are going to see in Scribus right now is the embedding of OpenType fonts without converting them to TrueType or Type 1 fonts. Now when you select a frame, this dock will show frame-specific controls. If it's a text frame, you will see text properties. If it's an image frame, you will get image properties, and so on. The layout of the controls is pretty much the same as back when they were part of the properties dock. So it's really wide and obviously needs further redesign. Selection of objects on the canvas has been improved in two ways. First, you get Ctrl-click to select items below guides, and then you can Alt Ctrl-click to cycle through the items in a group. PDF, Adobe's IDML, Quark's XTG and Krita's KRA importers have all received minor improvements. One more thing that you will probably appreciate is a newly added Markdown importer. It is really simplistic, requires manual editing of character and paragraph styles and supports only basic markup, so no tables or images. But if that's sufficient and Markdown is something you already use, this could be helpful. The new version also comes with better support for dark user interface themes, and you can now switch between icon sets without having to restart the application. The team is still targeting to make 1.6 the official stable release. The overall amount of changes in the 1.5 series as compared to what you get in 1.4 is just massive. But it does feel like Scribus has been falling off the face of the earth in the past few years. The 1.5 series has been in the works for a very long time. They made the first unstable release available in May 2015. But I demoed some of its new features like the picture browser as far back as 2009 at an exhibition here in Moscow. If you look at source code changes, the people working on the project are pretty much the same people who have been active with Scribus for the past 15 years. Craig Bradney, Jean Galli, Alessandro Rimoldi. But the project's founder, Franz Schmid, left for family reasons in 2016. And there are no new people to make up for that departure. I think part of the reason is that lately the publishing industry is not at its best. Unless of course we are talking about organized crime we know as textbooks publishing. And when an industry is not doing well, there is less interest in making software for it. And then again, desktop publishing is just not as fancy as, let's say, 3D and visual effects. So there is less interest from computer science students. Scribus did participate at Google Summer of Code in the past. In fact, new table frames in the 1.5 series are one of the results. But it's been a while since Scribus last participated, and none of the past students sticked with the project. I know I'm probably making it sound a little depressing here, that is really not my intention. I've been following Scribus since 2002, when I landed my first and, by now, probably my last full-time job in the publishing industry. I do have a special place for the project in my cold heart. I'm just worried. Even with money flowing out of advertising on paper and right into online advertising, Scribus continues to be an indispensable tool for desktop publishing when you can't go for a proprietary solution. I would very much love to see the project find a way to get new people in. For now, let's hope that Scribus 1.6 is not too far away. Thank you for watching and thanks to all my supporters on Patreon. See you soon.